Okay, let's start. Hello, everybody. Um, Today we're in a Zoom because I am in a trip and it is difficult to manage in Discord. And next time we will go in Discord again, but now in a Zoom. Okay, it was interesting week. We launched a swap platform and rebalanced our rewards. I'm not happy with this result, and I decided to discuss each reward distribution with community, with you. It should be not a hiding process. And also, I learned this lesson, of course, and very important thing is not lost users. Of course, okay, we had a conception about shareable profit, and we still have it. But I decided, Zargis said, good idea. Why we can't just provide auto compounding as service with very low performance fees? And I agree with this, and we will launch auto compound vaults with 99% auto compound. First part will be vault, then we'll back. Yes, we will back vault vaults with 99% auto compounding. Just a service. It is not a changing of conception or something like this. It is just a service for users. If you, for some reasons, want farm vault, you will able to do it with all vaults. My God, say terrible name. Okay. Congratulations, everybody, with our platform. It was very difficult, and we did a lot of work, and it is a new conception, and it will be grow with different partnerships. You will see benefits very soon. And of course, full potential we will see after integration into DEX aggregators, like Lineage. But yeah. Next on the way is PawnShop, of course. We are still working with UI. I think in the end of this month, we will launch it. And you will see a full ecosystem of Tether without lending, but lending, I guess, will be on first quarter of next year. So also we launched Auto Rewarder. Auto Rewarder distributes rewards, Tether rewards every day, and we will not have any more cycles. Do you know? Each vault will have automatically calculated rewards. And if a vault not profitable, it just will have less rewards every day, and you will have enough time for make decisions, leave this farming or not, rebalance your assets or something like this. Okay, let's start with questions. What we found ask TetaSwap's logic uses LP position to deposit in multiple strategies like iron folding for BTC and X-Teto for Teto in the case of BTC Teto LP. This additional complexity of using assets in strategies to make a LP position can provide extra risk of price manipulation attacks. In theory, of course, each layer generate more risk, but we developed a swap platform with focus on safety, and sometimes you can't swap because vaults are rebalanced or something inside contract doesn't have a healthy state. And it means that all possible attack vectors was covered with checks. And of course, we had a ton of tests. And for this reason, swap pairs have some restrictions. It's not able to make flash swaps. And of course, more gas consumptions, and also, for example, if long time without transactions, if pair didn't have transactions swaps a long time, and vault price per full share change it, it requires sync calls. We do it periodically for keep in healthy state. Also, we launched our own arbitrage board, and now all pairs in healthy state every time. So, of course, nobody can guarantee 100% safety. I can guarantee 99.19999%. And of course, it requires audit. As usual, just for guarantee, just third-party audit, we will do it. I think in the end of this month, I will make audit for Swap Solution and Pound Shop together. So ETA is the end of month. Okay, next question. Other strategies are combined in a LP pool due to impermanent loss. It is only necessary for one strategy to be exploited to easily drain the parrot or the asset. This would or can be an incentive for malicious actors. Of course, if underlying vault was attacked, successfully attacked, and something happened, it provides additional risk for another vault in this pair. I mean, assets in the pair, not the vault, it is independent contracts. But if for some reason you lost value in the vault, it rebalanced pair price, and you will able to swap assets in some direction. In one direction with more profit. But it is it is a part of system. You should understand that you invest in these vaults and how of your money in the vault already, and it is the same risk as you invest in vault. Pair contract very simple and safe. Really, it is not a vault with strategy. Just compared to this different amount of code and complexity. LP contract just concatenate vaults and use the same logic as Uniswap. It is pretty simple. And I think no chance, really, guys. Is correct to assume that the Tether farming strategies sacrificed a little bit of safety in exchange of profitability, or the safety of Tether farms is the same of any other farming out there in other DEXs, but more profitable due to the logic used? Of course, we use money ledger. What we found, all your questions about about increasing increasing risks in money ledger. Of course, you increase risk when you invest in different layers. But it depends on safety on each layer, and if you have already audited, all vaults and strategies audited twice, and it is very, very safe. Covered with a ton of tests, really. Just money ledger on already audited battle tested contracts, it is pretty safe. Yeah, money ledger. Each solution depends on another. I would show, we will move swap interface on the main side after PanSwap. And we will show all this money ledger or a route of your money. If you provide liquidity in the pair, you will see how your money will be distributed, which platforms and etc. Okay, next question. What is your ETA for TetraSwap audit? I already said it is the end of November. I hope. It depends on slots. Probably it will be PeckShield, but PeckShield has slots. They said they have free slots only in January. Probably it will be Certic or List of Authority. Depends of price and slots. We will choose one top tier auditor company. No worries. But okay, there's always just additional check, but of course it is necessary. Chills Lab de Cavarlis Iria. What is strange name? Asked what is the title? Yeah, about our name. It is an ancient name of it is one of the name of ancient Egypt god Thoth. I just think it sounds cooler. We had a proposal at the start of this project, and our community decided to choose Tattoo. I like this name. Really. Um, Maybe Tattoo could use some answered Egyptian authentic branding. I kind of assume Tattoo was a Slavic thing before hearing that. I'm not a fan of Ansett Egypt. We have some arts and currently work with our NFT and arts on hold. We don't have enough budget and have another critical tasks. But we have some lore. We have some ideas for arts and NFTs. And it will be something like futuristic concert Egypt, more futuristic than ancient. um, yeah, of course we will grow in this direction. Just we need to build all ecosystem. It is very important. Now we're still early. Yes, I know, 3 months, but we're still early. Um, okay, that's all questions for this MA. Guys, just look at this pair. We moved half of rewards for our swaps. I understand it is additional layer and each additional layer increase risks, but it is a part of our system and um, 300% for Tether USDT. I think it is a good deal. I hope everybody understand how our swap solution works. That rewards from underlying vaults move to these vaults, swap vaults, and also you have outer compound income from, in this case, it is Tether profit sharing pool. So very good percents, really. And this conception open a door for amazing partnerships. We can create outer compound vault for some assets, single assets, and create a swap with USDC, for example. And it will be profitable for or partner promotes this pair and probably move the whole liquidity to this pair because it has rewards out of the box, and probably they will provide some rewards, and we can do something. For example, rewards is for DX Tattoo and rewards swap pair with Tattoo. Mix something, play with this. So it is great opportunity, and we will use it. Of course, it will be more attractive after an audit. I understand not all ready to risk with huge money because contracts are unaudited, swap contracts, but usually auditors check a very simple logic and dump mistakes. They don't check deeply. Okay, I understand. Audit will be so. So Now we spend less rewards for or votes. We keep some amount of TETO, as I described in the new channel rewards. We keep some rewards for our next strategies. It will be money ladder, really, for single assets. We will not able to use it with swaps because in the middle we will borrow MAI on ChiDAO, and borrow with MAO has fees when you repay your debt, so we will not able to add it to swaps. And it will be the first strategies with fees, not on our side, but on our underlying platforms. We'll describe it. It is on the final stage. It is already done. We'll make some tests, some additional tests, and tests. But I should say that it is a single asset strategy with profit more than 40%. Yes, 40. Average with different tests, and it will be outer component partially out of the box, and some rewards will be used as for buybacks. Some okay, you will see, which is amazing. Guys worked with this yes, months, maybe more. I was busy with sub platforms. They worked with this strategy. Now we are working together with test and everything else. Okay, what else? Maybe you have some questions. Yeah. Hey, John. I allowed.
Hey, Belbix.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for having this AMA as always. And I'm curious if there's been any progress on kind of like bringing more of the Tetu brand and lore forward and doing the NFT project and bringing the kind of Egyptian theme and kind of bringing more kind of fun and yeah, if there's any progress on that.
Okay. Do you have a question about our roadmap? Correct?
Oh, no, I wasn't. I thought you were opening up to general questions. The reward module, I mean, the rewards are great. You know, obviously I've been loving the rewards and stacking them up, hodling Totu. So I'm trusting you that this is a great system and we're going to continue to build partnerships. Can you speak a little bit more about the partnership with MAI, with Chi-MAI?
Yes. It is not partnership. We will. Our next strategy will use Aave, ChiDAO, and Balancer, and we work with Polygon team and Balancer, and we will connect with Aave. I think we didn't try to connect with ChiDAO, but it is a good idea to connect with them. About next partnerships, we have some dialogues. I promise to not to talk about don't talk about partnerships because it is pretty sensitive information, and I can talk about our internal deals. We're totally open, but when we're talking about partnerships, it has a third party, and I can't disclose all information.
So I do have another question about the rewards. What I don't understand is how the swaps platform helps the single asset vaults?
How it's working, or how we
Yeah,
can.
so because right now I see the single asset vaults that use iron lending, and then I see the Tetu swap platforms that have LPs. But how does it tie into supporting like, is there going to be new single asset vaults with Tetu swap backing it?
Yes, it requires single asset vault. We are connecting two vaults. It can also a platform. You can't create a pair yourself. Only governance can do it because it requires a lot of actions. We should create a single asset vault and connect with USDC, for example. So if we will have a partnership with any project, we should create a single asset vault, create strategy for earn this some money. I think we will use auto compounding for each simple strategy, because just claim it is not a rocket science, really. I don't want to be a competitor with nothing. I want complex, interesting solutions for buybacks, and for simple strategies. I think we should create just auto compounding like Cookie Farm or Biffy, without rewards, just little fees for or work.
I guess what I'm not, when you say single asset vaults, are like, for example, WBTC, is there going to be a new single asset WBTC vault?
Which second asset? You mean Biffy token?
No. You said that there's going to be more single asset vaults.
Yes.
So there's going to, like, for example, is there going to be a WBTC single asset vault that's not iron lending, but that's backed by Tetu swap? Or how is it going to work? Or is there not going to be another WBTC vault?
We can connect any single asset vaults, and Rapid BTC and Tetu, it is just two vaults. It is a profit sharing pool and a Rapid BTC with iron lending strategy. You can find these vaults. Swapper literally deposit in these vaults. If you make a swap, you can see how this money withdraw and deposits in these vaults. We do it for each swap for keep health state.
Okay, I think there's something I don't understand. So yeah, but I'll just have to keep playing with it.
Really, it is very easy. I probably just on code. Okay. We will. Our designer work under document. Amazing image picture with description how it's working, and we will make more documentation for this solution. Just in few words, this contract deposit in two vaults in the same proportion, and when you swap, you just withdraw with one vault and deposit in another. Withdraw money come to you, and money what you put for swapping deposit it in vaults, and this how it's working.
Okay, yeah, I'm excited to see the image. That'll be very good. Yeah.
I hope I was clear. Maybe I didn't catch fully your question.
No, it's okay. I'm gonna look at the images and play with them more, and I'm sure it'll become clear soon enough.
Okay, okay. Other questions, guys? I think enough for today. If you have questions, if you watch this video on YouTube, you can write it in the MA channel, and I will answer on the next session. Also, we will have next sessions in the Discord. I just now I'm not at home, and as I said, in Zoom it is easier for me. Okay, have a good week. Bye bye.